this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like landmark reviews, location, price, amenities of the hotel, and new category and facilities also. So, let's see the location and attractions and landmarks. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.0. Is the superb. On the screen, you can find all the restaurant reviews and provide information about the cuisine. It's open for variety options. Room category first. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and uses, etc. Room category second. Room category third. Room category fourth. Room category fifth. So we talk about amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen 5 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Pets are allowed in this hotel. The location of the hotel is first class and guests really enjoy the beautiful surroundings. The property accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The check-in time in this hotel is 2 p.m. and the checkout time is 12 p.m. Guests are required to show a photo ID at check-in. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. For booking or more details, check the description. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then please subscribe